welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. So today we have a very special recipe because it's my favorite recipe and it is tomato bath. So let's learn how to make it. Now to the cooker, let's add 3 spoons of oil. Make sure your cooker is heated. Now once the oil is heated, let's put our cinnamon, bay leaves and cloves. We'll add our chilli, be careful. Now we'll add our onions. Now we'll add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until it's translucent. Now we'll add in our tomatoes. I've put 3 tomatoes in this. Once you feel like the tomato is soft, put in chilli powder, Dhania powder and little turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is optional. Once it's nicely mixed, we'll add our greens. We'll add pudina and we'll add our coriander. And we'll cook it on medium flame, medium to low flame. If you have time, low flame, if not medium flame. I'm going to add 2 glasses of water to this. I've measured 2 glasses in this. Now this has come to boil. We'll add our rice. We'll add some salt. Once it starts to boil, you can close the cooker and wait for 2 or 3 whistles depending on your cooker. Now the pressure is released. Let's open it. Oh my god, you guys! The whole house is smelling so wonderful. You guys should try this recipe. Now our tomato bath is ready. I've paired it with raitha and some chicken kebab and some cucumbers. Let's see how it's come. It's very yummy, guys. You should try this and subscribe for more. See you next time.